Okay, so seeing that we're now using Trello and we're doing it through our phone, it is a much easier time when we go in. We can see that there's multiple boards that we can work on, but sometimes we're not interested. If you just go into the board normally, then you sort of see all these different cards that belong to other people, but you can actually just see your own card by clicking on my cards. It doesn't matter which board it's on. Like, yeah, I have 2 boards that I'm part of, or what list it's part of, the to-do list, the sales list, the operations list. Because these tasks are all assigned to my name, this just shows me my tasks. So remember, that's simply when you're on Trello as normal, you simply click on the bars at the top and you go to My Cards. And that's how you can make the view on your mobile just of your cards.